Materials. There is an ongoing race to improve them, to make them stronger, cheaper, lighter, functional, and more sustainable. Materials and their properties are the driving force behind innovation across industries and are a key factor in achieving cost reduction. Materials Zone has developed a scientific artificial intelligence and machine learning-based collaborative platform. Our platform accelerates and improves materials research by standardizing data and harnessing it to achieve meaningful insights and allow for data-driven experiments. Whether you are in academia, an SMB, or an enterprise, whether you work on energy storage, renewable energy, 3D printing, green construction, or biomaterials, our platform is your solution. Manage, host, and review scientific data, conduct guided research and experiments, automate processes, use advanced visualization and analytical tools, and share your creations and collaborate with researchers and engineers around the globe. Start increasing your discovery rate and reduce research time and costs with Materials Zone today. Materials Zone, the future of materials science.